Hello, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about Keywords Everywhere free trial. Okay, so a lot of people have been asking for a free trial of the Keyword Everywhere extension, probably for them to see how the Keyword Everywhere extension works or to have a feel of it before they actually go ahead to make a purchase. Well, I think this could be a nice idea, but some time ago, a couple of years ago, it usually used to be so. You can actually get it and have a limit of what you can use. But a couple of years after Keyword Everywhere was launched, they decided to take it to a full blown premium extension, which means that you have to pay for you to be able to access it. Yeah, you can go ahead and download the extension setup and all that, but without a paid API key in the setup, you won't be able to see statistics for your keyword. As you can see here, that this is now a paid keyword everywhere feature, and you have to purchase a plan to see the Google metrics below. So sorry to disappoint, guys, you cannot get a free trial for Keyword Everywhere. And another option for you to explore is that if you can see someone that has a paid plan of Keyword Everywhere, you can ask for an API, and the API can be shared with you, and you guys both can share the statistics, use the extension together, and maybe join money to pay together. So that will be all for now on Keywords Everywhere free trial. I expect to see you in the next video. Bye for now.